Oh, hello everybody. This is Lizzie Brooks of Lizzie Brooks Yoga and Fitness. This is women doing chin-ups after 40 or pull-ups or whatever you want to call them. There's some people think this way or this way is one thing. I'm mostly going to cover this way. So let me teach you just a little something that is going to be super helpful. One is using free weights. I'm 41, never been stronger in my life. Free weights, I love them. I have a bunch of weights videos and weights and yoga fusions that are very, very helpful to get where you want to go as far as strength. Some other tips: if you are very focused on wanting to get stronger, you don't have weights, but maybe you have a strap, like a yoga strap, or maybe a tie from a bathrobe, that'll work too. I'm going to show you this option first. You can get these bars at Academy, Walmart, Target, online, Amazon, and install them pretty steady. And then you can just add this strap. So you don't even need two, just need one, loop it over. And then you can start small with a little lean back and lean forward, where you're working the upper body and even getting into that side body and lats. Same thing here. If I were to pull and release, pull and release, I am waking up so many of these muscles, even into the shoulders and the back, that you need to be able to eventually lift up. The further I put my feet forward and the more I straighten my arms and then reach up, the more difficult this will be. So please start baby, where your feet are very much close underneath you and you're just doing a little movement. You might even want to wrap that around your hands so you feel like you have a better grip. This is kind of like a homemade TRX band, if you've ever seen those. The other way to go, which I really do like, resistance bands, you can actually loop one resistance band through and then just pull the other edge, and there you go. This is another way. A lot of weights aren't being found on the internet right now or even in stores, but there are tons of these bands. I found these at Marshall's, and there's 5 different strengths in them. And you can do one side and the other, or you can put 2 bands and work here. Work on that pulling action, okay? That idea of pulling yourself up. And over time, as you get stronger, you're going to do a baby lift. And what that looks like is, I'm going to grab a chair here. It's pretty creaky. It sounds like a haunted house chair. And you're going to add that and place yourself on it with the elbows already bent, okay? And then lift your heels, and then maybe just bend the knees in and down, or lift one knee and down, other knee and down, and then you're going to go for a stagnant hold. Lift and lower, lift and lower. And it's just like a baby moment of holding that strength rather than needing to pull yourself up. You can even use the legs and give a little bit more work to the arms as you do this. Or you can start on a lower stool where you're not as high up and have a little baby pull. And then over time, you'll move your chair out of the way, maybe, and maybe you'll always use a chair. Who cares? You're getting stronger no matter what. And then from here, starting from your tiptoes and adding a little hop, and then maybe a pull. Okay, that hop just gives you a little bit of momentum to help you continue the lift. And then of course, at the very end, when you feel like you have that strength, then you do it without a hop. And you can do these bending your knees in or your legs straight. Ooh, I didn't come all the way down. And you can play with doing other things that incorporate a pull-up, but aren't technically just that pulling up and down. I hope that you enjoyed this, and ask me any questions that you have in the comments, and I will get back to you. Have a beautiful day and enjoy your strength over 40. Namaste.